Welcome WBP stars. My name is Chris and we're here in Amsterdam, restaurant 212, and I would like to present you the dish with venison. First of all, we made a cream of olives and green pepper. We made a gravy from the venison itself. Of course, we have the venison fillet, which is spiked with labe di colonnata. We have freeze-dried olive pits. We have a little bit of olive oil. We have a small leaf of the olive. And on top of that, we put a whole olive. The olive is filled with puttanesca. Please enjoy your meal. We hope to see you soon in Amsterdam. Please enjoy.